Hey folks, and welcome to week number 15. We are almost to the end. I know you can feel it, okay? So watch the video, as always. All right, then, there's going to be a mini annotated bibliography. I give you a sample here. Let's go ahead and go in and take a look at it. So, for each source in your essay, okay, for each source that you're going to use in your essay, I want you to do a single entry, okay? What this should involve is your MLA formatted works cited page, your MLA formatted works cited entry, okay? Right here. The nice thing about this, of course, is you can cut and paste this into your paper for when you use it, okay? And then a couple quick things. Number one, what questions? These happen to be coded in green. You don't need to color code these for me, but I'm just trying to do this to make your life a little bit easier. What questions does this source answer? So in other words, off your sheet, what questions are answered by this? What are those answers? And then an explanation of why the source is credible and any possible weaknesses you see. So think back to Essay 1 and Essay 2 when we were analyzing scholarly articles and popular articles and their strengths and weaknesses. How do we know this is credible? What do we know about the author, the source credibility, study design, weaknesses that may be there, okay? I'll give you an example of one here, but I do want you to do one for every source you're going to use in Essay number 4, okay? In addition, this week, okay, watch the writing in the real world video. It's just sort of a video about what writing looks like in the real world compared to what you're typically asked to do in classes. I've tried to work our whole class towards writing in the real world. Essay 1, 2, or 3 revision. So this is the revision of one of your earlier short essays. Your choice as to which one you submit here. Theoretically, you did some work on it last week, and that's the one you're going to use to turn in this week. Okay, but totally up to you. You can also choose not to do it. There's no harm in that. It is entirely a way to increase the grade you got on an earlier essay. If you totally missed an assignment early on, you flat out forgot to turn it in, it came in late, you got points deducted from it for that, you didn't quite understand the assignment and got a bad grade, those are all things you can rectify with this opportunity, okay? Then I want you to write your introduction for Essay 4, and there's a sample introduction that you can take a look at here as well. Okay, so kind of a week that's got a lot of bits and pieces. Next week we're going to work entirely on finishing Essay 4, and then we'll start peer review. Okay, if you got any questions along the way, don't hesitate to let me know.